These steel cabinets are perfect for the do-it-yourselfer looking for Gladiator brand durability at an affordable price. Our adjustable shelving and commercial strength hanging rods provide maximum customization to meet your specific needs. Plus, all modular and cabinet storage products come in our signature tread plate design with leveler legs and optional steel casters, bringing versatility and functionality to any garage space. With flexible cabinet configurations and wall mounting options, our ready-to-assemble cabinets are repositionable so they grow with you to fit your life and style. The possibilities are endless. Built to last and backed by a 10-year limited warranty, our ready-to-assemble cabinets will transform any size garage space in a matter of minutes. Now that's durability at an affordable price.